I'm going to put half a teaspoon of salt. It's spilling a little bit over here, but it doesn't matter to me. Just about that much. Placing it in there. It looks a little grainy right now, but don't worry about that. See how it looks grainy? And just stirring it up. Moving it around. You know, brownies are great usually for holidays. You can give them for like Christmas gifts, and people love chocolate. So fudge brownies are just delicious. And now I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoon of really wonderful pure extract vanilla. Okay, so here's 1 teaspoon here. And then we're going to do the half. Okay, we're going to put it in there. And we're going to stir it up some more so all of it gets the flavor of the vanilla. I can actually smell the vanilla in there. Just, oh my, I can't wait to taste these. It's going to be so wonderful. Usually I make them and it's gone in a minute.